Hello, how are you? I've been receiving messages, and a lot of people have been asking, how do you get a proxy and how do you set up a proxy to be able to read a different location? First of all, a proxy acts like a VPN. A proxy is a tool that you use to be able to mask your IP, and your gadget will now start reading a different location than actually the location that you are in. For instance, I'm in Kenya and I want to locate jobs in the United States. I'll need a VPN. I'll need a proxy. So basically, that's it. And I'll show you how to navigate through. For you to set up a proxy is more powerful than a VPN. That's why I would recommend you to use a proxy. So you'll need to go to your preferred browser, either Firefox, Edge, or Chrome. You will choose either, and you will search for something that we call the MoreLogin anti-detect browser. If you can't find it in your browser, don't worry, I got you. The link, you'll find the link to this browser in the description of this video. Just click, I'll put it, and you download it. So I've already downloaded it in my PC, so I don't know whether I need to download it again, but for the purposes of education and for the purpose of this video, I'll do so again. So you will click download, and once you've done that, you will see a pop-up over there showing you that the download has started. Once it's complete, you'll now need to go and open it. So when you open the MoreLogin anti-detect browser, this should be what you see first. First of all, you'll need to sign up or sign in. That's quite easy. After you've done that, you'll now see this as the first navigation tab. And if you want to find a proxy, you'll see all the details that have been written on your left hand. You can see new profile, bulk import, purchase proxy, profile, proxies, trash, extensions, and etc. So you want a proxy, you'll click the proxy icon over here, and it will redirect you to, or rather, you want a proxy, you'll click on purchase proxy first of all. This is if you don't have one. And to find these proxies, I know you people have a lot of proxy providers in the internet space. So you'll find the one that suits you the most, and the one that you prefer, and it will bring you over here to this tab. Now you'll either choose a residential proxy or ISP, depending on your needs, depending on the kind of job that you want to do. And you'll click on the territory. Either you want to work your online or remote jobs are located in Asia, Europe, or America. You'll have the options to choose, and then it goes at 10 USD. A residential proxy goes at 12 USD. So it will be up to you to decide. And then after you've purchased, they'll give you the configuration details. That's what you come to key in over here. You'll first of all indicate that you want to use an individual proxy. Mine has already been configured, that's why you can see this. But on your end, you'll see something like add proxy or whatever, but you'll see something over there. So you'll need to click add proxy, and then you'll enter the details that you've been given by your proxy provider. As for me, these ones, these are the details that I was given by my proxy provider when I was purchasing my proxy. So as you can see, these are the details over here. After you've configured, they'll give you first of all a proxy server, the IP and the subnets. They'll give you a proxy profile, that's the proxy account, and password. That's what you'll key in and then detect whether it reads the United States after that, or any other location that you wanted to work from and you bought a proxy for. After that, you'll come to profile. You'll be able to see somewhere where it's written a new profile. You'll click it somewhere over here, and then after you've clicked it, it will redirect you to another tab where you'll see advanced create in the middle somewhere. You'll click advanced create and then scroll downwards. You'll be able to see something written use existing proxy, and because you had already set up the configuration to your proxy initially, you'll now use the proxy that already exists, and then you'll bind them. Mine is already binded, that's why I'm not going to do it. And after you've done all that, you'll just click start. It's quite easy. It's quite easy. Yeah, after you've done that, you'll now be able to access another tab where now you can see your location, your gadget's location has been altered, has been changed now. Now, like for mine, it's a USA proxy, so you'll be able to see where the proxy reads. I'm currently in Kenya, but as you can see here, my device is now reading that I'm in the USA. Country, region, USA. State, province, city, New York, Nanuet. Time zone, America, New York, GMT 4. But you can see my time over here. It's 7:08 a.m. the East African time. After that, now you've been asking what you can use the proxies for. Now you already have a vision in mind. You already have what you want to do with the proxy. So let's say, for instance, you want a virtual assistant job in the USA. So you'll just search virtual assistant job near me, and you'll find results over here. And you need to have a good resume for this. You need to have a good CV. And if you really know how to write a good one, you'll write it and upload. If you don't know where to start from, I can help you craft a good resume, but of course, at a price, I'll charge you only $10. So I'll write you a good resume, which you'll use to upload to these recruiters. For instance, this recruiter is paying $22 to $40 per hour for virtual assistance job, and you can see it's now hiring. It's hiring season. People are being hired, and you can try your luck today. Yeah, so you'll tell me in the comment section whether I should do more videos like this, or if you have any other queries, you can post them. I'll gladly answer. Also, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you cannot miss more educative content like this. Anyway, for now, bye bye.